Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a quick and easy installation for your Boult Cruise Cam. This video acts as a one-stop solution for installing any variant of the Boult Cruise Cam. Let's unbox our Boult Cruise Cam first. In the box, you get a user manual, front cam, back cam, car charger, connecting cables, stickers, and a warranty card. Let's move on to the installation process. Place the electrostatic sticker on the windshield as shown in the video. Now peel off the sticking bracket on the dashcam and then proceed to paste it on the windshield. Here is how you adjust the wiring to give a clean no-show look. Run the wire through the space between the roof of the car up till the side of the dashboard. Proceed to fix the wiring through the side pillar of the car and then continue to arrange the wire through the rubber trim and panels. Up next, we will set up the rear view cam. Place the sticker on the inside of the car, followed by attaching the rear cam onto the sticker, such that the view of the rear cam has no obstruction and ensures clear visibility. Now, plug in the power cable of the dashcam and the rear cam into the dashcam socket and adjust the front cam for best visibility. Proceed to place the car charger into the car charging socket of the car and then start the car. Voila! Your cruise cam has been fully set up. How to connect to the Boult Cruise app. Open the Boult Cruise Cam app after downloading it. Follow the steps on the screen to connect your dashcam to the app. You will have to connect your mobile phone to the dashcam's Wi-Fi by inputting the password that is provided in the user manual. Once you have completed this step, you need to switch back to your Boult Cruise app to access your camera footage.